Morning guys, I hope you are well and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hectic day booked in already. I've got my tripod set up and my little filming area kind of ready to go. So today I thought I would do a vlog. Of course someone outside is like massively banging something and it's really annoying. So like I was saying, thought I'd vlog because I've got a product to try out, and this video is in collaboration with Olay, but I really wanted to put this product to the test and see if it works, see how I feel about it, see if it will take off all of my makeup but also refresh my face in the morning. So the product in question is Olay Daily Facials. Now I have seen so many American YouTubers feature these. I've been really intrigued to try them. When Olay got in touch and asked if I wanted to try them out and of course feature them on my channel, I had to say yes because I'm so intrigued, and also I am a bit lazy with my skincare sometimes. I don't always want to be spending hours doing every step and every routine. So these little things may save me some time, which is good because I have a busy couple of days coming up. These are dry cloths and they're 5-in-1, which is amazing for time saving. So they remove makeup, they cleanse, they exfoliate, they improve your skin look, and they preserve moisture. And basically they come in this little box, and then inside you get, I think you get about 30 cloths, which is amazing. You get so many in here. So they look like this. They're literally just like a dry cloth and they smell amazing. They smell so fresh. A lot of YouTubers that I've seen using these say they feel like a facial and the smell is like going into a spa, so I'm really excited. So let's go to the bathroom and try one out, shall we? So I haven't actually got like any makeup on, but I wanted to see if these refresh my skin in the morning. I do take off my makeup every evening before I go to bed, but obviously sometimes if you're in a bit of a rush or you're really tired, you don't always get everything off. So I'm gonna just wet this under the tap, and then we're just gonna give it a squeeze and it should like foam up. Oh my, it feels like really foamy and actually really soft, which is weird because they're kind of crispy. They're kind of like harder in the pack, but they go really like soft, almost like a flannel would, which is what I use to take makeup off anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna rub this on my skin. Really like how this feels. It's kind of like yeah, it's kind of like a moisturizer kind of feel, which is really nice. I can imagine taking your makeup off with this in the evening. It's really refreshing because it feels really nice doing this in the morning. My skin literally feels so refreshed right now. I actually feel like my skin looks a bit more like awake and clearer. I think doing this in the morning maybe will wake my skin up a little bit quicker and maybe feel a little bit more fresh, a little bit more early on. I can imagine this product is really good if you go to work really early and you always feel really tired and your skin looks tired. I feel like this would sort your skin out in the morning, so I'm excited to give them a go. I'm gonna leave them in the bathroom because I'm gonna be putting on my makeup now, and then later on I'm gonna take off my makeup and see how they work with taking off makeup as well. But yeah, so far so good. I'm impressed. So I'm just about done with my filming. I filmed 2 videos. I've got one now that I just need to finish off and do some cutaways for, and then I can literally sit at my desk and get some emails done. But Chris and myself are also shooting a wedding tomorrow. If you didn't know, Chris is a wedding photographer and I go along and second shoot for him. So yes, we've got quite a hectic day tomorrow as well. So trying to get everything done today just so that everything is kind of easy and we don't make it stressful. Vince is being really noisy because she can hear all the birds outside, and Chris is feeling a little bit unwell, so he's having a nap, and I'm like, shh, be quiet. Trying to keep her quiet so he can have a nap. He's been feeling a bit unwell recently, so hopefully he gets better soon. So yeah, so I'm just about to do some emails. I'm just watching Helen Anderson on YouTube. I love her vlogs so much. I need to go to the range to swap a table. I don't know if I mentioned, but me and Chris shoot weddings together. It's his business and I help him second shoot because I used to shoot weddings a lot when I was younger. So when we met, it was quite handy. So yeah, he shoots weddings and then I second shoot for him. But we're also setting up a photo booth that we're going to do together. So when we're at weddings in the evening, I'll be running the photo booth while he photographs everything else. So it's quite an exciting little venture for us both, but it's been quite a lot of work getting it all ready, and the last thing we need is a table for all the like funny props and funny wigs that we've got. So I nipped to the range, I bought a table, but I need to exchange it because it wasn't the right one. So that's what I've got to do today, ready for the wedding tomorrow that we're shooting together. Just swapping my table over and I've got to carry this downstairs. Should have brought Chris. Uh-oh. Do that was heavy. I wasn't expecting that. It's time to take my makeup off. It's about 9 o'clock. I have the ice cream out of the freezer, ready to defrost a little bit so I can put some in my bowl and eat it. And I want to do that with no makeup on my face because it always tastes better when you have no makeup on. As you can see, I've just basically smudged a load of the makeup down my face, and sorry if you can hear Chris playing guitar, by the way. And yeah, have like makeup everywhere. Need to take it off. So I am going to use these as promised, the Olay Daily Facials. I was actually just telling my mum about these on the phone and she's really excited to try them. So I might have to donate a few to her over the weekend. So yeah, I'm going to get it all foamy and take off my makeup. I'm quite intrigued to see how this takes off mascara actually, because obviously earlier when I used it, I didn't actually have any makeup on, so we'll see. Rub this over my eyes. I am actually rubbing really gently, but it never looks like I am on camera. But that has literally, I mean, that is pretty good. That's taken off. I literally haven't even had to scrub that. I've just wiped it a few times over. Like so, as you can see. I'm really impressed with these, and it doesn't sting my eyes as well, because sometimes, especially with like really foamy kind of cleansers and stuff, they can really sting my eyes. Listen to Chris shredding his guitar. All my makeup on the cloth, gone. And my skin, I feel looks quite good considering I've got no makeup on now and this lighting is awful. But yeah, excuses by the way, it's a paint sample job gone wrong, if you can see it in the background. But yeah, I actually feel like my skin, look how like dewy and glowy it looks. I'm impressed. Morning guys, so today me and Chris are, or Chris and I should say, are shooting a wedding. I mentioned this yesterday, but yeah, today is the day. I don't really dress up when I'm doing this because I have to be comfortable, otherwise I just can't like bend down and shoot things, and I just need to be comfortable, and I kind of like to blend into the background at a wedding when I'm shooting it. But I'm just packing up my bag. And Chris has already left because Chris shoots the bride in the morning. He does all the bride prep and I do the groom prep. The groom prep's a little bit less important than the bride, so the main photographer normally does the bride. I've just noticed that I need to like bronze up my chest because my face looks brown and my chest doesn't. So in case you're interested, which probably isn't that interested, this is basically what I take to a wedding. So I've got my camera in here. This like rucksack, which is actually really handy, not very glam, but it fits everything in. We've got these little lens pouches that I put in there, got some tissues, some mints, some lip balm somewhere in here, some lipstick just in case. Don't ever use a lipstick, but you never know. And then I've got my little like wedding notes. I've got the little notebook with all the group shots because I'm in charge of organising people. And Chris has the other camera and all of the other lenses, and when we meet up we kind of like swap over lenses and stuff. So that's generally how that goes. I've got my blazer. I don't think I'm going to be wearing this today, but usually I do wear a blazer over this just to look a bit more smart, but it's boiling today, so I'm not going to use that. And then I've just got my handbag. I just leave this in the car, and I've just got my glasses just in case, and a little bit of money, and again another lip balm. You never know when you need a lip balm. And obviously I've got my Olay daily facials because I'm going to take these along with me, and hopefully, if I remember, I'm going to take my makeup off in the car tonight because, to be honest, isn't that the dream? Taking your makeup off in the car, so when you get home, you can just get straight into bed, clean your teeth, put your pyjamas on, in bed. As simple as that. So that's what I'm planning on doing tonight, and I'm super excited about it. Don't know if that's sad, but I am excited. Just wetting my little face wipe with a bottle of water. I'm just literally gonna do this in the car. Just kind of wetting it like this. Just like that, I have cleanser on a cloth. And I'm just going to use the dry one just to dry my face up a bit. Hey presto, makeup gone. Morning guys, so it's Sunday today and I am in town with my mum. I never know if you want to be in it, so I'm just doing a quick flash. But yeah, so we are just nipping into town. It's a lovely day, it's so sunny. I didn't vlog yesterday because me and Chris were basically knackered from the wedding. We're always so tired the next day. It feels like we're hungover, but we haven't had anything to drink, which kind of sucks. But yeah, so just nipping into town. We're gonna have a little coffee and a little look around the shops. I'm wearing my little Joni dress. I love this dress so much, but yeah. So I'm gonna come along with us for a coffee, if you want. Just having a little coffee in Nero. Got my decaf skinny latte. Now, oh my god, this paint splodge looks awful. I'm gonna try and stand here so you guys can't see it. So yeah, it's a bit later now. Chris has nipped out because he's got an engagement shoot with a couple, so I have the evening or a couple of hours to myself. I'm just gonna take off my makeup, obviously. I mean, it's only about 6-7 o'clock. But makeup has to come off. I've got my comfy clothes on, not quite my pyjamas, but almost. So yeah, gonna use this Olay cloth again. Like I said, really enjoying this, and I'm obviously working with Olay on this video, but you guys know I wouldn't talk about something if I didn't like it. So I'm really pleased that I'm working with them. I really enjoy the feeling of taking off my makeup. It feels so good. I'm trying not to make like the makeup face like when I edit this, I'll be like, why did I make that face? What am I doing? I'm actually gonna fake tan soon as well. Like, not tonight, I don't really feel like it tonight, but I'm gonna do it this week. And I'm gonna keep using these because they exfoliate your skin as well. So I won't need to, hopefully won't need to exfoliate my face as much. I do put fake tan on my face just because I don't have any problems with the one I use. But yeah, the fact that these exfoliate as well, all good. So yeah, makeup is all gone. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this vlog off now. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed my review of the Olay facial cloths. I personally really like them, and I've given my mum some to try out. She's gonna give them a little try as well. I just think they're a really good product for time saving. They're still good for your skin. It's not like using a face wipe. I don't feel like my skin is dry because they moisturize as well. They exfoliate, so my skin feels really soft still. I'm just really impressed with them, and I think they're a really good item. Definitely recommend them if you're traveling, going on holiday, going away for a night, going to a festival. I think if I was going to a festival, that is what I'd pack. Because all you need is those cloths and a bottle of water and you're good to go. So yeah, definitely recommend those, and I hope you enjoyed my little video vlog review of them as well. If you want to find more information about the cloths, I will put more information in the down bar below, as well as all my social media links, so you can go and follow me over there. And yeah, finishing this vlog off with a nice fresh face, but I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day. Bye guys.